First car we see at Speed Meadow. And it has no wheel. Rest in peace, whoever you are.
He's in the car too. And I think that's the security people, because they're in red.
He's just correct. Those are like recovery team people. Safety team. Vivian's got new mirrors.
Jeremy the whole time during the main, and did you get hot? Lost power steering. So shout out to Mark, man. Mark came out last year and drove his truck for the first time here, and he won last year. So I was betting on him to win again, but our boy Yuki got you. So he wants to hear you. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for coming out. That was honestly incredible, and experiences like this are so make it out here. So shout out to every single 1450 dude that came out today. Hey, let's give it up for everybody. So great meeting you guys. We want to let you guys know that we want to bring speed metal to Arizona. That's our goal. If this weekend is successful, we're going to have a speed metal at Firebird Raceway, which has a short course and a drift area. It's perfect. So we'd love to get all you guys out there from California. We'll figure out the logistics and all that to make it, hopefully, you know, not an arm and a leg to get out there, but just wanted to throw it out there. And just thank you guys again. We appreciate you guys. It was so incredible to see so many incredible trucks crushing it. Everybody was wheeling, dude.
Heck yeah. Nieves. They have ice creams. The music or what? Heck yeah. The playlist. This is the media side.
Is the drift rave over?
The drift rave does not have a rave song. He's locked in now.
Play your favorite jam in the background.
You're ready for the media right now. Class. This class is taking like an extra hour. We out here. At least it's somewhere over there. That small thing. There it goes, there it goes.
Oh, from where we came in.
Doing a test run.
Oh,
Still no green flag. Heck yeah.
we out here in TERRA speed metal. We're about to get crazy shots with my boy Aiden. Hell yeah.
Coming back to its master. Oh shit, just fucking landed. That's the hardest thing.
Is that how you fucking park it every time?
For some reason, something changed on this. My setting. So like, something like the throttle, if you go down, it just shuts off. So you like lose power and you just like fucking.
Yes.
They're over there lined up.
Another diesel. Got it back running. Power steering was leaking. Got a drifting Corvette over here. Broke the axle, it looks like it. Oh, they're jumping back there still. Clean this one out. It's gonna be tricky. Yo, what's up, man? What up? I got the other one, the flip. And then I'm looking at that one, and I turn around and I see this one. I'm like, no way! Yeah.
I'm missing so much.
What up, dude? Getting a VHS?
What's up, dude? How are you?
Yeah. The Armada truck flipped over here.
The whole thing has been paused.
at the rusted truck. Pink one. Oh, the best smash burgers here. Heck yeah. Thought that person was a mannequin.
I thought that person was a mannequin too. I'm not even kidding. I had the double take. That was crazy.
I don't know what it was. It's
There's just a really
probably
light-skinned person.
the skin color.
Yeah, in their stance.
You want to look at the $10 shirts?
Nah. I want to go to the loose and lost tent.
Yeah, you keep getting distracted and we're gonna go. In and out shirt.
Short bus.
Oh, thank you. The big fat truck. It has the hood again. Desert media.
Dessert media.
Yeah.
Okay, I tried.
Do we need rugged radios to talk on the track? Like,
That would be awesome.
hey, Alicia, copy.
What up?
Haven't seen it out there at this point. Yeah, loose and lost.
How's it going, guys?
Hey, what's up?
Chilling. You guys having fun today?
Yeah. It's been cool.
Yeah.
Checking out the new designs you made.
Yeah, we got a couple new ones.
Saw
Picked up the new,
the Ryan's Bronco.
Yeah.
Do you have that one in Excel?
Yeah, we got. Yeah.
Keep sitting there. That's not good.
It keeps getting closer when I was here earlier.
It's getting them. Should give notice. leaking something. It exploded. Got the camera all wet. Let's walk up and see what's up. Was it coolant, dude? It got all over me on the camera. I'm like, oh shit.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Water line blew out.
Water line?
Water pump. Stock water pump. I know you did.
You saw me?
How much do you need? I don't know how much it costs, but that neck came out of the water pump. So I'm gonna let the pressure build up. Turn around, see what happens. I already did. Sprinkled the inside already. Did they use a screwdriver or something to tighten it? No. I got no. It has seals on it.
Just getting a bunch of water bottles and putting them there.
Yep. Ran out of milk? Ran out of milk. Did anyone see me take over this one? I got 3 feet in my truck. Are you getting 20 feet in yours?
Yeah. Water coming. Oh, he's drinking too.
Hey, no cheat.
Hydrating too, the driver.
Hey, the water brigade is coming through. Hey, who's got a pee? What the hell, Chase?
It'll match the color of his truck. I hope that seals right now. That'd be cool.
Oh, look who it is. Then Black Cat over there. He's just walking into the track. Hey, that's illegal. Get out of there. Let's see what's going on over here.
Yeah.
It might be in gear. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. fucking vapor. Preparations for the big jump. got the American standard here. I'm saying you're at your Instagram.
Yeah, I think we went like 185 or something, maybe 185 or something. That's what it felt like.
Okay,
But
okay.
you know, I was in my comfort zone, so that's where I felt comfortable.
That's good, that's good. The truck finished speed metal this year.
Yep. I'm gonna drive it on the trailer.
Dad.
New generation jumper. I still gotta bring my truck in your shop. Dude, the rack, I jacked it up after putting the arm on it, and I wiggled the rack. I was like, oh, I gotta bring that back.
Walk around and see the competitors.
Never driven in anything that fast.
Ryan, heck yeah. Yo, easy kind of life. Elisa. It's getting cold again.
Yeah.